So we're going to update the robot software in this video. We'll be going from version 0.6.2 to version 0.7.0, but this should be the same instructions for all future versions for the robot. What you're going to need is a robot running 0.6.2, a USB device that's formatted as FAT32, and with at least 500 megs of space. Then you'll also need your workstation and to download the files, the update files, from our hosted FTP site. So the hosted FTP site you can go to directly if you've been there before and log in, or you'll get an email every time there's a new release. And that will be the first time you start. You'll get an email from support@rethinkrobotics.com, and it'll have a link to the hosted FTP site and the folder specifically that will have the update files. So when you click on that link, if you haven't been to this site before, you'll be asked to create a password. If you have been here, you'll use the same password you made the first time. So when you log in, you'll be directed to the folder that has the update files. You'll see the other previous update files on the side, but we're interested in the version 0.7.0. So inside here, you'll see the archive file that has the actual files we'll need to download and give to the robot. So we're going to download these. You'll see it ends with tar.gz. And because this can take a while, we already downloaded them earlier, and we're just going to skip right to there. So we'll go to our file manager in our downloads folder and find the version we downloaded earlier. So we're going to double click to open that in the standard Ubuntu archive manager. You can see here are the files that we actually need. So to extract them, I'm going to make a new folder. Oh, well, we'll just extract them here. And notice that the ones we care about are the ones that end in .obf and obf.config.gpg. So once the extraction is complete, we'll close this. And we don't need a browser anymore. And we're going to take our USB drive, which is formatted as FAT32. Stick it in, and just drag the files that came from the archive onto the USB drive. Now you can copy all four if you want from version 0.6.2 to 0.7. We went from 3 update files that were necessary to 2. If you just want to keep the necessary ones, you'll look for the ones with the OBF and update in the title. So once that finishes, we're going to take the USB drive and stick it in the robot. And then we're going to run the update commands themselves on this computer, the development workstation itself. All right, so once the files have completed transferring, we're going to safely eject the USB drive. So you right-click and go safely remove drive. You can see it disappeared from the sides, and we're going to pull it out.